In today's video, I'm going to teach you using Ticktick for notes. Assign all the notes with the notes. If you've ever wished your quick thoughts, meeting takeaways, and longer write-ups could live in one simple place, Ticktick's Notes feature is built for that. Think of notes as a dedicated space for writing, separate from your tasks, but just as easy to reach. You can capture ideas on the go with Quick Add, convert an existing task into a note when it grows beyond a simple to-do, and organize everything inside note lists so each note has a clear home. Let's start by creating a note list. This acts like a folder for related notes, perfect for projects, classes, or ongoing journals. Once your note list is set, add a new note. If you already created a task and realize it needs more detail, open that task and convert it to a note. This keeps the original context but gives you the space and formatting tools of a full note. Inside a note, look for the A icon. That's your rich text toolbox. Use it to add headings, bold, or italicize key points, insert links, and even create checklists inside the note. Checklists are great for action items that relate to your writing, like follow-ups from a meeting. Keep your formatting consistent to make scanning easier later. When you need to include reference material, tap the three-dot menu to attach files or images. This is ideal for slides, screenshots, or PDFs you want right alongside your notes. If you find yourself rewriting the same structure, like weekly reviews or one-on-ones, save time with templates. Ticktick includes ready-made templates for meetings and reviews, and you can adapt them to your style so every note starts organized. As your collection grows, assign your notes to the correct note list to keep things tidy. Name lists clearly and use short descriptive note titles so you can find what you need fast. If a note is important, pin it to the top of the list to keep it front and center until you're done. For visual reminders on your desktop, turn tasks into sticky notes. Create or open the task, choose the sticky note option, and it pops onto your desktop. Color code these to group by priority or project and pin them so they stay visible. When the reminder has served its purpose, unpin or close it to reduce clutter. That's the core flow: capture quickly, convert when needed, format for clarity, attach supporting materials, and organize everything in note lists and sticky notes. With this setup, your notes become actionable, searchable, and always within reach.